How are you today? I hope you are ready to get working in Module A. We're going to walk through a little bit of what's going to happen in that module and what I expect from the different assignments, and then kind of pay attention a little bit more to assignment A3, which is the reflection and semester goals, writing about what you're going to be writing about. A little bit meta. Anyway, in Module A, which is our introductory module, we want to make sure you have a good solid base for all the things we're going to ask you to do through the semester. And so the first thing we're going to do is a little introductory quiz. It helps you to see what I think is important as far as the syllabus and things we do and what we do and how we do them. It's not hard, but it is something that you need to make sure that you've walked through the syllabus already, that you've watched the welcome video, that you've looked through the various folders and things that are up there for the class, and then take the little quiz. A couple of other things in there. There are 5 assignments in the first module, Module A. The second one you're going to do is a Connect orientation, and really this is probably the best thing you're going to do in this little module, because it's going to show you where all the things are in our Connect McGraw-Hill connection stuff, and it's going to show you how to do those assignments. It's also going to show you a little bit of an introduction to the book, and how you get through things and how they page things and all that fun stuff. And so the good news for you is I think all of them, anytime we want you to read something in the book, or work through a chapter or something in the book, it's going to link you directly to that in each of the pieces. So you don't have to go searching for page number what, So anyway, that's the orientation. The most it's going to take you the most time probably, and it's going to be the most useful for you as you work along, is the writing reflection. Basically, this is really about 2 pages of writing to help you get a base for what we're going to do this semester. And what we're going to do this semester, and I'll have another little video there about the overview of the writing assignments, and then videos for each of the actual assignments. But anyway, this reflection and semester goals, basically I want you to read the prompt and then write. Okay? And so, like in the first one, we're asking you to describe your career field and the job you hope to have when you're finished college. Well, maybe you don't know what that is. Pick something. Okay? You probably have an array of possibilities with the degree you're working on. So pick something. It's not going to be written in stone. We're not going to come back, 5 years from now and say, you didn't do that. It's okay. You're going to describe your career field and the job you hope to have. You're going to think about what kinds of writing people in that particular career field have to do. And now, for an entry-level position, in most places, you're not writing a lot, but we want you to go beyond that. Think about, as you move up in that field, get more responsibility, have more things to do, what kind of writing are you going to be doing? And so we want you to think about that, and then also think about how this is going to impact your job itself, okay? The course focuses on researching and writing about within your future career field. And we're going to look at different kinds of writing. There are some really good places in the book, chapters in the book that walk through some of those things. But there's also your own understanding, your own knowledge of your career field. And so we want you to research a problem or an issue in your future career field, and to work towards proposing a solution. And that's kind of the overarching topic for for the semester. So in this reflection, I'm going to ask you about your own writing process. What are your strengths? What challenges do you have? What would you like to work on this semester? And then, what do you hope to learn this semester? What stuff can I help you with? Do you hope to grow? How do you hope to grow as a writer? What are some specific goals you can set for yourself in regards to your writing? And then, what concrete steps can you take to accomplish that? And then, what are the most important concepts you remember about the research process from English 111 or any other English course? Where are your strengths and weaknesses? What skills would you like to improve on? So there's the writing in general stuff, and then there's the research stuff. I hope that you make this useful for yourself. That's the big deal. But make sure you follow the directions. Oh, okay. Move on from there. We're going to also do the normal introduce yourself to the class, discussion board posts, responses. Okay, so at least 2 responses to classmates' posts. And there's a
for that in there too. The last thing is A5 is a research review, and it's another thing where you're going to look at some work from the chapters and then do a little, not exactly a quiz, it's more like a homework assignment. So 5 things in this first unit, in this first module, and all of them have basically deliverables. You have a quiz to take, you have the Connect orientation, which will give you some questions to answer as well, the discussion posts and responses, your writing reflection, and then the research review. So give yourself time to get these done. Remember that they are important to your grade, and they're also important to get off on the right foot in this particular class this semester. Okay, so let me know if you have questions or problems. You have my email. You know where I am.